So a lot of traders focus on strategies and other shenanigans, but that's not exactly what made me a millionaire, at least not from trading. It came down to three main things that I'm going to go over in today's video that I learned the hard way, and you won't hear these, I think, anywhere else. So my name is Sam, and I trade full-time, and I'm kind of someone who's obsessed almost with understand exactly how financial markets work, and today I want to share three lessons that I think changed everything for me. So if you're struggling to get consistent, I think one of these is probably why. So the first one I think is instantly what's going to separate amateurs from professionals, and that's building consistency is from boring fucking discipline. So you don't need more setups. In fact, the more that you take away, it's going to work out better not only in your trading but in your life in general. You're going to need more repetition. So your edge itself is only going to work when you repeat it over and over again, okay? So a lot of traders, they hop in between strategies too quickly. You can have a strategy that is maybe average, but if you have proper risk-reward ratio and mindset, most likely that strategy will end up working for you, okay? So consistency itself, it's gonna come from identical actions. So very boring fucking habits are going to yield better results, okay? And I used to change strategies quite frequently myself to try and find the best one or try to increase the win rate. You know, your results are going to be very fucking random because you yourself as a trader are random. So become less random as a trader and more boring as a trader, and you're going to make a lot more fucking money. And that is kind of a weird thing to kind of understand. So just pick one setup, one session, and trade the same fucking thing for 30 days straight and just see how much difference, how much change will occur in your trading, okay? Remove every, optional decision that you have to make. Just track one metric, and that metric is execution, okay? So the next thing is I think that the real profit system in trading is gonna come from your risk-reward ratio and your risk management, okay? So millionaires themselves, they're not made from great trades. They're made from controlled losses and investing your profits, but I'm not going to go over that too much in this video. Okay, so good risk is going to beat good entries almost every single time. The small losses are going to protect the bigger months. You want to focus on losing and losing less. There's a trading book that I think explains this exceptionally fucking well. And once I understood this, that's when I got a huge noticeable difference because, you might win 50-60% of the time, but if you lose $100 and you make $500, who gives a fuck how frequently that you're losing because you're, at the end of the month, you're in green, you're in profit, you're actually winning, okay? So normally optimal is 1 to 2 max risk per trade, but if you have your S tier setups, something that follows every single check mark on your trading list, if you don't have a trading list, if you don't have a strategy, if you don't have anything at all, actually, go ahead and check out the link that I have in the description. I have a free day trading newsletter, and I cover one free trading setup. Someone actually followed the fucking trade that I made last week, and they passed a prop firm challenge and got a payout off of that trade. And that's, I don't want to say I changed someone's life, but I helped them get a payout. That's definitely worth it to me, and it's free, so go ahead and check it out, right? Focus on R and not in dollars, okay? So the final lesson that I want to go over in this video is the one that I think actually truly made me wealthy, okay? And that's the game, not just in trading, but in life, is going to be about longevity, not trying to score home runs all the time, okay? So you become a millionaire, at least in trading, by staying in the game long enough for you to compound, long enough for you to survive another day. Slow growth is going to beat your fast burnout. The edge is going to improve over years. You as a trader are going to improve over the years. Okay, most quit right away because you aren't consistent or that you have inconsistency, okay? The longevity itself is going to create exponential returns for yourself, okay? And, I wasn't the most talented trader. I'm just the one who chose not to quit. If you're a terrible quitter, welcome to day trading. You might actually fucking make it. Smash the like button so I can show this to other traders. Or don't, it's all up to you, okay? But eventually the curve itself is going to invert, it's going to start to go vertical, okay? So protect your capital like it's oxygen to you, because this is your lifeline as a trader, is your capital. The same thing that you're trying to make more of. Weird fucking profession, man, day trading, okay? Build off days into your routine. Find something else to do. Find something, enjoyable. Ideally, you want to make more profit off of it, but why not? Okay, play the long game without trying to sprint through it. Okay, so the real truth behind all this is consistency, risk, and longevity. Okay, that's the entire game. That's the entire game in trading. Master these three, and strategies themselves almost don't even matter. This is how I became a millionaire, at least not in trading. It's not overnight, but for real. And I mean, I did it before I was 26, 27 years old, and now I'm kind of retired. I can do whatever I want. That's part of why I choose to make these videos and to try and help other traders. So the market's going to reward those who can stay in the game long enough for you to even be able to understand and comprehend it. Okay. If it's free, the newsletter is free. I'll send you one solid trade idea every single week. Go ahead and check it out. If not, then I don't care. All right, bye.